Next year, the Galaxy A55 is set to replace the Galaxy A54 as Samsung's top mid-range smartphone. Recently, some information about the upcoming device has been leaked online. Today, a benchmark for the Galaxy A55 is confirming key specifications. The Galaxy A55's highlight is its new Exynos chipset. The Exynos 1480 is a special mid-range processor from Samsung featuring an AMD GPU. Previous Geekbench listings hinted that the Galaxy A55 might use this chip, and now it's officially confirmed through the phone's first benchmark test. The Exynos 1480 comes with the Exynos 530 GPU, which is built on the AMD RDNA 2 graphics architecture, similar to the Exynos 2200 from last year. While it may not be as advanced as the RDNA 3-based AMD GPU and the Exynos 2400 for the Galaxy S24, it should still bring better graphics performance compared to the Exynos 1380. The new chip might have the potential to support ray tracing in games, but there's no guarantee it will actually happen, so don't get too excited. It's expected to be a more powerful graphics processor than previous versions. On the CPU side, the improvements over the previous model, Exynos 1380, are there but not groundbreaking. The A55's single-core score is 1,127 and multi-core score is 3,090, while the A54 score is about 1,108 and 2,797 respectively. So if you were hoping for a big improvement in CPU performance for Samsung's popular smartphones, it looks like you'll have to wait for at least another year. In terms of software, the A55 will come with Android 14 and One UI 6.1 when you first get it. It might also include some of the artificial intelligence AI features from the Galaxy S24. We don't know when Samsung will release the Galaxy A55, but it's likely not before March. This assumption is based on the fact that the A54 was released in March this year. The Galaxy S24 lineup is expected to be the focus in the first 2 months of 2024, so the A55 might come out after that. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.